Hello, welcome to Traditional Medicine channel. Please subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest update. In this video we are going to see the benefits and preparation method of ginger coffee. In other words, it is called as Chukku Coffee. Sukku or Chukku, dry ginger, gives great relief to coughing and throat ache, cold, nasal congestion, headache, etc. Chukku Coffee helps cure the indigestion and diarrhea. It eliminates toxins and helps absorb minerals from the intestines. Chukku, dry ginger, has digestive properties. Ingredients: dry ginger 2 small pieces, pepper 1 teaspoon, cumin seeds 1/4 teaspoon, basil leaves 1/4 teaspoon, sugar or jaggery as required for your taste, coffee powder 1/2 teaspoon, water 2½ cup. Let us see the preparation of Chukku Coffee followed by health benefits. In a saucepan add water, jaggery, cumin powder, pepper powder, coffee powder, basil, chukku potty and mix well. Boil this for 5 to 10 minutes in medium flame. Close the pan for 5 minutes and then strain the coffee. Drink hot Chukku Kappi and inhale the steam. What happens if you drink every day? The experts say ginger coffee is a stellar anti-inflammatory, improves heart health, eases nausea and motion sickness, helps expel free radicals from the body, and is even linked with lowering cholesterol. Health benefits: dry ginger has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. During winter it will keep you warm throughout the day and will prevent you from cold and flu. Relieve gastrointestinal distress. Effective in eliminating gas in the intestines as well as helps in the relaxation of the tract, reducing gas, indigestion and cramps. May help absorb minerals from the intestines, eliminating toxins and congestion from body and mind, reducing heat or acid in the stomach, decrease congestion, calm digestive system and helps joint pain, improving skin irritation or rashes. Thank you for watching Traditional Medicine. Share, like and subscribe to the channel. Drop your comments below and share with your friends. Thanks for your support.